Lorna Kapunan, born April 1st, 1952, is a Filipina lawyer, radio host, and columnist. Kapunan studied political science at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and later joined its law school. She also had seminar courses in Japan Institute of Invention and Innovation JIII Tokyo 1997, National Institute of Humanitarian Law, San Remo, Italy, September 2005, Summer Course International Humanitarian Law, Magdalen College, Cambridge University, London, UK, July 2010. Personal life. Kapunan is the daughter of retired Supreme Court Justice Lino M. Pataho and Cristeta Taka Pataho. Political career. In 1998 and 2000 for presidential elections, Kapunan worked with her law partner Senator Raul Roco's campaign. In 2016, Kapunan was picked by Grace Poe's Partido Galing at Puso and ran under Aksyon Demokratiko for a Senate seat, but lost. Lorna Pataho Kapunan is a Filipina lawyer, politician, radio host, and columnist known for high-profile litigation and advocacy in women's and children's rights, environmental protection, and corporate law. A former Aksyon Demokratiko leader. She founded Kapunan and Castillo offices and represented prominent clients. She ran for the Senate in 2016 and serves as a legal commentator and media host. She is a TOWNS awardee and recognized among the 100 most influential Filipino women. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.